Hi, so for this one, an annual coupon has the following characteristics. So redemption value of 1890, the annual effective yield rate 6%, and then there's book values given for each coupon after each coupon. So basically this it relies on the bond pricing formula, especially since they give us a redemption value. But we want to calculate the number of years given the clues that they give us here, right? So one thing to do is, well, we know that um, after coupons are paid out, that it kind of subtracts from the coupon, the face value times the coupon rate. So for example, it says here that the book value immediately after the third coupon is this amount, right? So this amount, which means that in order to get from the book value immediately after the third coupon to the fourth coupon, we would first have to multiply this book value immediately after third coupon by the annual effective interest rate, right? So it'll grow by then by 1 year to the fourth. And another thing is that since this would be the book value after it accumulates one by 6%, coupon would also have to be paid off. So we could get to the fourth book value of 1,277.38. So Oregon, and that's how two book values are related to each other, especially when dealing with coupons being paid out. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 1254.87 times 1.06. So we're going to get 133.1622. Then we're going to move this to the other side. So we're going to do 1277.38 minus 1330.1622. Then we're going to divide by -1. So we're going to find out that the future FR is going to be 52.7822, right? Now, another thing is that now we solved for this usual variable that's included in the bond pricing formula. So now we're going to start creating our bond pricing formula, right? So we found our FR. Now it's usually denoted by a present value of a number of years that we don't know of yet, but we do know that the effective interest yield rate is 6%. It also says that the redemption value at maturity is 1890 v to the n. Again, we don't know the number of years. That's what we're trying to find out. Now, it's also saying that from since we so it's also so what do we exactly set this equal to, right? Since we found the amount of coupon that we've paid off up until getting to this amount, that would mean that we would just set the book value immediately after the third coupon by this amount to the whole bond pricing formula, because that's where we're basing all of our information from, the book value at time 3. Now, what we can do from here is that we could solve for n. So another thing that we also have to notice is that since the redemption value at maturity is 1890, and since this is taken from the amount of coupon paid from book value 3 to book value 4, we would also have to denote n as um, t, basically. Why? Because t is actually representative of number of years minus 3. So 3 years were deferred in calculating this, since we're going to set this whole formula equal to the book value at time 3. Now, what I could do is I could take my calculator to solve, TVM calculator to solve for n. So I'm going to do 1254.87 as the present value, 52.7822 as payment, 6 as the interest rate, 1890 as the future value, and compute number of years. So I'm going to get 17 as the number of years, right? So that means that t would equal 17. Now, what did we set t equal to? N minus 3, right? So let's add 3 to both sides. Then we'll end up finding out that n equals 20.